Representative Vandana Slatter from the 48th. How you doing?
Good.
Session
Great.
has just
Nice to see
started,
you.
and
Yes.
you are very busy, so we're going to try to get this done
Okay.
quickly. I want to ask you about two of your bills. One of them sounds like science fiction. It
Yes.
involves editing genes.
Yes. So our genes make up who we are, and sometimes there's mutation in them that can create disease. And this technology essentially goes in and edits the gene as if it's a sentence in a Word document, and can cut and paste or pull out the bad words, if you will, the words that don't make sense. It's something that people are excited about because it can do it more simply than we've ever been able to do it in the past. It's called CRISPR, and it's a technology, however, that's also a little scary, because if you can edit genes or change the genetic makeup of someone, what does that mean? What are the implications of that? They're having these conversations at the national level, at the international level, and we thought at the state level it might be really valuable too. And I worked with a Republican lawmaker, Representative Irwin, and we presented a bill to the ITED committee this week that was a study, the Washington State Academy of Science Study Committee on this issue. And it would have ethicists and scientists, clinicians and researchers, and the public would have a chance to also hear. I think it's important when we have new science and new technology that we bring it safely into the world, and that we give people a chance to see the great, awesome, and breathtaking value of it, as well as the responsibility that we need to take on as a society. And this will give us an opportunity to do that.
All right, and the second bill I want to ask you about is your Occupational Data bill.
Yes, well, I've been very interested in the future of work. I sit on the task force at the state level and also one on the national level. And I believe meaningful work and the dignity of work is really important in people's lives. This bill came out of the Future of Work Task Force, some of the recommendations, and I decided that I would go ahead and prime it because it's data. It's basically adding a data field to, it's kind of technical, a little boring, but businesses do provide employee wages and occupation and social security number to the Employment Securities Department. The ESD takes that information and they use it for other calculations on unemployment insurance. But we use that survey data to track education, whether education is leading to really good jobs. But what we're finding is that if you look at that information, it doesn't tell you exactly what the job is you're going to if you have a particular background. So one example I gave was that a person with an education degree going to Amazon, we don't know where they're working in Amazon, if they're working in marketing or if they're working on the warehouse floor. So did that education actually lead to that job? And then how much did that job pay? And with this extra data field, we'll have a little bit more specificity on the type of occupation. It's a simple fix. Other states do it. Indiana, Alaska, for example. And Alaska, for example, has been doing it since the 1980s. Norway, Germany, they do it as well, and they've been doing it for a while. So it's not something that hasn't been done before, and the data that's come out from it has been actually pretty powerful, not only for gender disparity, but to help high school students even understand where they could go and what type of jobs they could have in the future.
All right, well, thank you, good luck, and we'll catch you again next time.
Thank you so much.